In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your tax forms from Bank of America. This is a crucial task around tax season, so let's make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. We'll begin by logging into either your online account or the mobile banking app. Simply go to bankofamerica.com on your web browser or open up the Bank of America app on your mobile device. Once there, you'll sign in using your online ID and passcode. Make sure these credentials are ready and secure. Once you've successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate to the settings. On the home page, if you're using a mobile device, you'll look for the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines, commonly referred to as the hamburger icon. Tap on that. If you're on a desktop, find the settings icon, typically located at the top right. From the options that appear, select Profile and Settings. This section serves as your main control panel for customizing your banking experience. Now we're moving on to accessing your tax documents. You're going to choose Statements and Documents. It's important to segregate the correct category under the Statements and Documents menu, so proceed by selecting Tax Documents. This area houses all the tax-related information you'll need for the year. Next comes an important decision, choosing the specific account type for which you need the tax form. If you are looking at your bank accounts, such as checking or savings, you'll generally need Form 1099 INT, which reports interest income. For those with a mortgage, you'll be interested in Form 1098, summarizing the mortgage interest paid. If you have retirement or investment accounts with Merrill, look for Forms 1099 DIE or 1099-R. If you're obtaining information for a credit card, while it may not be a standard tax form, a year-end summary can sometimes provide helpful insights. After you've selected the appropriate account and year, the option to view or download your form becomes available. Tap on the year you need, such as 2024, and your tax form should open up. Here you can choose to either download PDF for safekeeping or opt to email print it if you need a hard copy, or to forward it to someone like your accountant. Keep in mind, these forms are typically available by late January each year. Lastly, if you have not opted for paperless delivery, your tax documents will be mailed to your registered address on file with Bank of America by January 31st. It's always a good idea to allow a few extra days for delivery, as this can vary depending on postal services. And that's it. Following these steps will ensure that you can easily access your necessary tax documents from Bank of America, whether you choose to go paperless or prefer physical copies through the mail. Happy tax filing!